Hey, wave chasers. Welcome to D1tv Channel. I'm Andrew, and I am diving into an epic adventure with Unlock, the perfect wave. The best surf camps near me vacations. Whether you're a beginner looking to catch your first wave or an experienced surfer seeking the ultimate break, these surf camps have something for everyone. Surf camps are perfect for solo travelers, adventure seekers, families, and anyone eager to ride the waves while soaking in the sun. No matter your skill level, professional instructors and incredible locations will help you improve your technique and confidence on the board. At a surf camp, you'll enjoy expert coaching, top-tier surf gear, and breathtaking beachside accommodations. Plus, you'll meet like-minded travelers, experience local surf culture, and relax with yoga sessions or beachfront bonfires after a day on the water. Unlike standard vacations, surf camps offer a perfect mix of adrenaline, skill building, and relaxation. Whether you're shredding waves in tropical waters or discovering hidden coastal gems, every moment is packed with adventure and unforgettable memories. Ready to ride the waves of your dreams? Learn more below and subscribe to D1tv Channel for more exciting travel and lifestyle experiences. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. See you in the surf.